There is a tribe of songbirds called the mimic thrushes. The members of this chat group share the habit of repeating sounds they hear. Often, those sounds are the signature sounds of other birds, or they may be random sounds like squeaking doors or motors, or the voices of mammals like humans. Or the songs could be original compositions, which we may never hear again. To be clear, none of the birds known as mimic thrushes are actually thrushes. That's a separate group altogether, the robins, the bluebirds, and the true thrushes. In our part of the world, the mimic thrushes include the Gray Catbird, half a dozen Thrashers, and the most careless of gossips across the U.S., the Northern Mockingbird. We hear much more than we see. Awareness of nature encourages careful listening because we rely on the bird's signature sounds to know them. But we have to be extra careful thanks to the mimic thrushes. Any bird we think we hear could be that bird, or one of the mimics having fun at our expense. Sorting out the mimics by voice is tricky, but they provide clues. The mockingbird goes on and on, repeating a sound several times. Generally, the brown thrasher and some of the western thrashers repeat once, meaning they say a phrase twice. The gray catbird does not repeat. There is a payoff to the mockingbird's repeating repertoire. For the ladies within earshot, the range of his recitations speaks of his experience, confirms he is a survivor, therefore a good choice as a mate. For the rest of us, he provides an inventory of his neighbors. For example,